Elon Musk has just shaken up the entire electric vehicle industry. What looked like another exciting tech reveal turned into a serious warning for every carmaker in the world. This time, it's not just a better-looking car or a new battery. Tesla has introduced a new electric motor that might make every other EV outdated. It's faster, lighter, smarter, and shockingly efficient. Could this be the moment Tesla becomes completely unbeatable? Can other car brands survive this massive change? Or are we seeing the beginning of their downfall? Let's take a deeper look at this new motor, the groundbreaking technology behind it, and the major impact it's already having across the auto industry. Electric cars used to be seen as experimental or unrealistic. But over time, especially with growing concern over climate change, EVs became more mainstream. Tesla has been at the center of this change. The company began quietly in 2003, with Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning as founders. They believed electric cars could one day compete with gas-powered ones, but very few in the car industry took them seriously. That all changed in 2004, when Elon Musk joined the team as an investor. He quickly became the largest shareholder and the chairman of the board. Musk didn't just bring money, he brought vision. With his influence, Tesla began building something remarkable. Their first vehicle, the Roadster, launched in 2008. It was a fast, stylish electric sports car, and it proved to the world that EVs didn't have to be slow or boring. This moment put Tesla on the global map. By the end of 2008, the original founders had left, and Musk took over fully. Under his leadership, Tesla transformed from a small startup into a company that disrupted the entire auto industry. Then came the 2012 launch of the Model S, a luxurious electric sedan packed with smart technology and amazing performance. It had software updates over the air, impressive speed, and long range, setting a new standard for EVs. Tesla didn't stop there. They launched the more affordable Model 3, the Model X SUV, and the futuristic Cybertruck. But what really set Tesla apart was their engineering and software-first mindset. They didn't just build cars. They built smart machines with deep integration between hardware and software. By 2024, Tesla became the global leader in EV sales, selling millions of cars in over 50 countries. While traditional car companies were still figuring out their first or second EVs, Tesla was already years ahead, especially in battery technology, autonomous driving software, and production efficiency. Some people believed Tesla had reached its peak. But instead of slowing down, Tesla made its boldest move yet, a brand new electric motor that could change the game forever. In a dramatic announcement, Musk revealed Tesla's next-gen motor. Compact, efficient, powerful, and wrapped in carbon fiber. This wasn't just a small improvement. It was a total redesign of the electric motor. Meant for upcoming models like the Roadster 2.0, this motor shows that Tesla isn't just trying to stay ahead, it's trying to redefine the industry. The motor can spin over 20,000 times per minute and push cars from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds. That's faster than most hypercars. And just as other companies were starting to match older Tesla models, this new leap left them far behind again. But what makes this motor so special? At the center is a carbon-wrapped rotor. Traditional EV motors use materials like copper and steel. These work well, but they struggle at high speeds due to heat and pressure. Tesla's carbon fiber sleeve strengthens the rotor, making it more stable and allowing for much faster spinning. This design improves acceleration, efficiency, and durability. Because carbon fiber is lightweight, it helps reduce the overall motor weight. Lighter parts require less energy to move, which means faster acceleration and better range without draining the battery quickly. Heat is also a big problem in electric motors. High-speed spinning causes parts to expand, which can damage them over time. Tesla's design uses the carbon wrapping to hold the rotor in place even when it's extremely hot. This makes the motor stronger and longer lasting, especially for drivers who demand high performance. Precision is key to making this work. Wrapping a rotor in carbon fiber sounds simple, but it requires extreme accuracy. If the parts are even slightly misaligned, it could destroy the motor. Tesla had to invent AI-powered robotic systems to apply the wrapping with micrometer-level precision. This kind of innovation shows why Tesla isn't just a car company, it's a tech company. From being a tiny startup that most people ignored, Tesla has become one of the most powerful forces in the clean energy world. The latest motor proves that with fearless leadership, big ideas, and constant innovation, Tesla can keep changing the rules. While other car brands were finally catching up, Tesla just reset the race. And this time, it looks like they might stay in the lead for a long time. Tesla uses custom-built machines to produce each rotor with extreme precision, achieving the tightest tolerances in the entire auto industry. This level of accuracy helps reduce the chance of failure and ensures peak performance. All of these new ideas working together make Tesla's Plaid motor more than just a better version of what came before. It completely changes what we thought was possible in electric vehicle design. Even the most powerful gas engines can't compete with this new motor. It combines raw strength with the quiet, clean, and efficient qualities of electric drive systems. The Model S Plaid is only the beginning. Tesla plans to expand this motor design into future models and even other technologies. As that happens, this motor could become the new standard that all car companies will try to match. But right now, Tesla isn't following the industry. It's leading it. Other automakers didn't see this coming, and now they're struggling just to keep up. Tesla's latest innovation creates a tough situation for its competitors. Companies like Lucid, Rivian, and Ford have made strong efforts in the electric vehicle space, and they've built some impressive cars. But Tesla's carbon-wrapped Plaid motor is a giant step ahead. It's not a small improvement, it's a major leap forward. Most other companies still use older types of motors, like permanent magnet synchronous motors, PMSMs. These motors are good at certain speeds and have been a reliable choice, but they struggle with performance under extreme conditions like very high speed and high temperatures. That's exactly where Tesla's new motor shines. The carbon-wrapped rotor can handle more heat and higher speeds without losing strength or efficiency. This means the Model S Plaid can accelerate faster, stay cooler, and go farther on a single charge, all areas where most competitors fall short. The Plaid motor not only improves on current EV tech, it eliminates many of its weaknesses. What's more, Tesla holds a massive advantage because the technology is not easy to copy. Even though Tesla has shared some of its patents publicly, it's not as simple as reading the blueprints and building your own version. Wrapping a rotor in carbon fiber with the right tension and perfect alignment requires highly advanced, custom-designed robotic systems. These systems operate with incredible accuracy, and most car companies don't have the tools or knowledge to build them. So while rivals might know what Tesla did, they don't have the means to do it themselves. Tesla also benefits from its vertically integrated approach to making cars. Over the past 10 years, it has built gigafactories, created its own battery supply lines, and developed much of its software in-house. This keeps costs down and speeds up production. Meanwhile, traditional automakers still depend on outside suppliers and are trying to update outdated systems. That slows them down and makes their EVs more expensive to build, which only widens the gap between them and Tesla. Even companies like Lucid and Rivian, which are known for being innovative, haven't reached Tesla's level when it comes to production scale and motor technology. Bigger companies like Ford and GM are investing in electric vehicles, but they're still behind when it comes to building batteries, software, and solving issues like range anxiety. With the release of the Plaid motor, Tesla has pulled even further ahead. Its rivals now face a serious challenge: catch up fast or risk falling out of the race entirely. The motor's power is incredible, but what's even more impressive is how it's made. And that part of the story is just as shocking. In a time when most companies hide their best technology behind legal barriers, Tesla has taken a bold and unusual step. It made its patents open to the public, including those behind its groundbreaking Plaid motor. Normally, a big innovation like Tesla's carbon-wrapped rotor would be locked away, carefully protected from competitors. But Elon Musk took a different path. He made Tesla's patents open source to challenge others, saying, "Here's what we've done. Let's see if you can keep up." But there's a twist. Just because the blueprints are available doesn't mean other companies can build the same thing. The real secret isn't just in the design, it's in how Tesla actually builds it. Wrapping a fast-spinning rotor in carbon fiber is not easy. Carbon fiber and metals like copper or steel react differently to heat. If you don't control that carefully, the motor can break under stress. Tesla solved this by creating its own special robotic system that wraps the carbon fiber with extreme accuracy. These machines use artificial intelligence and advanced software to apply the carbon wrap with perfect tension and alignment, so the motor stays stable even at over 20,000 RPM. Tesla doesn't just wrap the motor carefully, they also test it afterwards to make sure it holds up under extreme conditions. The carbon sleeve gives the rotor added strength and keeps it balanced, even at very high speeds and temperatures. But without Tesla's custom machines, software, and years of testing, it's nearly impossible for other companies to copy the process. The patents may be free, but the knowledge to actually build a motor like Tesla's is still out of reach for others. This strategy works in two powerful ways. First, it makes Tesla look like a leader that supports innovation and wants to speed up the move to electric vehicles. Second, it highlights the big difference between having an idea and being able to build it. Other companies now have to invest a lot of time and money to even try to catch up. Even then, matching Tesla's level of precision and integration is extremely hard. This gives Tesla a big head start in both developing and using this technology. It also makes Tesla not just an innovator, but a gatekeeper for the future of electric vehicles. Another reason Tesla is hard to beat is its vertically integrated system. All the parts of Tesla's motor, from the battery to the software, are built to work together. They don't depend on third-party suppliers, which means they can move faster and fix problems more easily. For other car companies, even if they manage to build a similar motor, they would still have to redesign their entire vehicle systems to make everything work as smoothly as Tesla's. That would take years. And Tesla's plans don't stop at cars. Elon Musk has hinted that this compact, high-speed motor could be used in other industries, like aviation and energy. Its power, small size, and ability to run at high speeds make it perfect for new electric aircraft, like flying taxis or drones. It might even be strong and efficient enough to power short-range electric airplanes. Musk didn't give details, but he made it clear that this motor has the potential to change how machines are powered in many fields. Outside of aviation, the motor could help in big energy projects too. Tesla could use it in large industrial systems, power plants, or wind turbines. Since the motor can run for long periods without breaking down, it's great for heavy-duty use in things like energy storage and grid systems. With its huge global factories and supply network, Tesla could make and deliver these motors at a large scale, something most car companies can't do. While other car makers like Ford and GM are still trying to figure out battery supply and profit margins for EVs, Tesla is already far ahead. Newer brands like Lucid and Rivian have exciting ideas, but don't have Tesla's production power or technology reach. Tesla is now involved in everything from solar panels and energy storage to AI and self-driving software. The company is growing its influence across the entire clean energy world. Tesla's next big move might come with the upcoming Roadster 2.0, which is expected to be one of the fastest and most powerful electric cars ever. This car will likely take the Plaid motor even further, showing off what Tesla's tech can do on a high-performance platform. It's not just about speed, it's about proving what's possible with electric motors and setting a new bar for the whole auto industry. So while the motor is powerful, what's even more important is the message behind it. Tesla is building the future, and they're doing it in a way that others will struggle to follow. If you found this story interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video. We've got more exciting tech stories to share with you.